Today we will review how to use the Patient List Query function on the Welch Allyn Connex family of devices from Baxter. Patient List Query, or PLQ for short, is a workflow type in connected care environments in which a patient is selected from a list on the device to confirm their identity before sending their vital signs readings directly to the chart within the EMR. To utilize this functionality, the device must be connected to the internet through either a wireless or Ethernet connection. PLQ is also only available through certain EMR vendors, so please inquire with your local Baxter representative to confirm your eligibility. Let's go ahead and review how to take a set of patient vitals utilizing the PLQ workflow. First, you must log into the device manually. This login can be tied to the organization's Active Directory if desired. The device can still be used to take vitals without signing in, but those readings will not be able to be sent over to the EMR. Next, we'll need to pull the patient list. Begin by selecting the over arrow in the Patient ID field. Then select the Retrieve List button to refresh the patients from the server. This list may automatically filter based on criteria like location or appointment times. Work with your technical administrators to confirm how the list is being presented. After the list has been refreshed, scroll through to find the patient needed, or touch the search box to input any numbers or letters and filter down that way. Once the patient has been found, tap directly on their name. More information on the patient will appear like patient ID and date of birth. Be sure to confirm you've selected the correct person before selecting OK. If the wrong patient was chosen, select List to go back and select another. After the patient has been confirmed, their name and ID will appear at the top of the content area of the display. Now, you'll be able to take vitals on the patient in accordance with your facility's protocols. Standard measurements like blood pressure, temperature, and SpO2 are available along with up to 20 customizable manual parameters as well. Once all of the measurements with the patient have been acquired and inputted on the device, select the Save button. A successful message will appear at the top. The vitals for the patient will clear and appear in the Review tab. To take another patient's vitals, select the over arrow at the Patient ID tile to choose another individual. If you're done with the device, select the clinical icon at the top and sign out. If you have any further questions about the Patient List Query workflow, please contact your Baxter representative for more information.